हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू लिनक्स आर यूट्यूब चैनल। माय नेम इज़ राम मिश्रा और मैं हूं आपका लिनक्स ट्रेनर। आज मैं आपके सामने लाया हूं कुछ न्यू इंटरेस्टिंग लिनक्स टॉपिक विच इज़ हाउ टू वर्क विद एनेबल टैग्स इन प्लेबुक। सो गाइस, लेट्स बिगिन द टॉपिक। But before start the lab session, we have to understand few points, which is what is an enable tag and their use cases. So for demonstration purpose, I have a lab scenario for you. Please look at that. Guys, this is my enable control node and manage host lab setup environment. So first thing come in our mind is what is enable tags. So enable tags are used to run only one or some specified tasks from a large playbook. Instead of running the whole playbook, we can use a tags attribute to run enable tag. These are very useful when we have to run a part of enable playbook. It provides better control of our playbook execution. Okay, so here I have a true trusted virtual machine. I'll show you. This is my lab setup. First machine acting as a control node. This is a control node with the hostname server1.pool.org, having the IP address 10.0.0.1 and running Linux OS RHEL 8.0. And my second virtual machine is acting as a manage host. Hostname is client1.pool.org and the IP address is 10.0.0.2 and running Linux OS is RHEL 8.0. So on control node here I have a playbook with multiple tasks, and with the help of enable tag I am going to deploy this playbook on my manage host. Okay guys, so this is our task we are going to do. So how can I do that? For this, let's begin the lab session. So I am on the control node. This is a control node. Firstly I have to show the host name and Red Hat release version. So simple, I run the command hostname. This is server1.pool.org and currently I am using Red Hat release version 8.0. Here I have already created a playbook named test.yaml where I have mentioned a list of tasks. So I'll show you. I log in with SU with simple user and go to the location. Here I have enable.cfg inventory and my YAML file. So I'll show you test.yaml which I have already created for you. So guys, let's understand playbook tasks first. Here I have mentioned a plain name like simple make a FTP server. I want to execute this play on all hosts, so I just mentioned all. Then I have mentioned few services, few tasks. First one is install FTP package using your module. Second one is start and enable the FTP services using service module. Next one is restart the FTP services. Again I am using service module. And fourth one is synchronize some file from control node to the manage host. For this I used synchronize module. Okay. Now with the help of enable tag I am going to be deploy this file on manage host. So the first point is what will happen if I didn't mention any tag attribute in this playbook and directly run it. But before run the playbook, do not forget to check the syntax error first. So for this I run the command enable playbook -- syntax check and my YAML file, that is test.yaml. It's great, there is no error. Now I'm going to run the playbook. So I'll simply run the command enable playbook and just mention playbook name test.yaml. Okay, my play name is indicating make a FTP server, gathering the facts, and started installation of my all given tasks like install the FTP package, start the FTP services, restart services, synchronize the file over the network, and that's it. It shows me all tasks completed successfully without giving any error. So after successfully deploy this playbook, if we checked out the output of manage host, we found out that FTP server properly installed and services runnable condition. So for this I run the command enable -e and I said vsftpd -v and simple press all. So this indicates that FTP is successfully installed on client1.pool.org, that is my managed host. Apart of that I can run to check the services condition system ctl status vsftpd. Here it is active and running condition. That's great. Now this is a normal scenario. So think about suppose I have to run only one of or some specified tasks from the playbook. I'll show you one more time my playbook. So suppose I have to run only one or some specified tasks from the playbook, then we will use tag attribute. But firstly we have to modify our playbook to work with these tags attribute. So I am open my playbook and put a few tags in trees related to enable tag feature. So I open it and go in here and just mention tags, give the tag name. I said restart, and one more entry I said tags and name sync. That's great. So here I mentioned sync and restart tag name. So in the same manner you can put up tag entries rest of the tasks, those you wanna control with the tag attribute. Okay, now I'll save and quit from there, and time to check. Again syntax error. So for this I run the same command, enable playbook ---- syntax check, and your YAML file name. It's okay. Now time to run the playbook with tag feature. Okay, so we have the option, we can list all tags in a play using -- list tag options. So I mean to say we can run enable playbook, give the playbook name and -- list tags. So it generate a list of all available tags. This indicates that I have currently two tags, that is restart and sync. Okay. Next point, we can list all tasks and tags with -- list task option. Using this option we come to know which tasks will run. So it's generate a preview of tag tasks. So it indicates that restart tag run restart FTP services tasks, and sync tag run or execute sync the file over the network tasks. Okay. Next point is, to run only a single tag tasks, we can run the command in this way. So enable playbook -- test.yaml and then run simple tags, or you can put up only -t represent tags and just give the name. I said restart. So this will run only restart tag related tasks. I press enter. Look at that, gathering facts, and this time only restart the FTP services. Got it my point? So in the same way, if we have more than one task need to be executed at the same time, then we can run the command in this way, restart and then one more tag, sync. So here we use two tags that execute two tasks. In the same manner you can run multiple. Look at that, restart FTP and sync with the file. Okay. Now we have few more options. If we have to execute all tasks but want to skip some tasks, we can use -- skip tags option. So this time I want to skip restart tag. So I mention -- skip tags and tag name restart. So in this way we can skip restart tag related tasks. Look at that, stall FTP, start FTP, then simply synchronize. So we skip the restart tag related tasks. Okay, these are the beauty of enable tasks, we can control it. Next one, we have few more options. To run only tasks with at least one tag, for this we can run the command in this way. We have the option -- tags, then I can mention tag. Great, it will run only tasks with at least one tag. So here restart and sync both can be run because both have only one tag. In the same manner, they run only those tasks those have no tag. So for no tag, I simply say untag. For this, we can run the command in this way format: -tags is equal to untag. It will run only those tasks with no tag. Look at that. Stall FTP and start FTP doesn't have any tag. Okay, guys, we have also some special tag like always, never, and debug. If we want to run one or more tasks each time playbook run, then we can tag those tasks with always keyword. So for this, I have to open my playbook again and do some modification. So I open my playbook one more time for always tag, and here I replace sync with always. Okay, now I am run the again playbook with only mention restart tag. When I press enter, see what happened. Now if mention only restart tag, it will run with always tag also. Look at that. I have only mentioned the restart tag, but it also run the always tag. Okay, so this is the again beauty of Ansible tag. Now we can also apply the same tag for the multiple tasks. In that case, all tasks will get executed that have a similar tag. For this, I again open my playbook again and do some modification. So I open one more time and give the same tab name. I said restart, save and quit from there, and look at that what happened. Now again I mention restart. Now if I run the playbook using restart tag, it will run both the tasks in the same manner. Look at that, restart FTP as well as sync the file over the network. So guys, this is the way by which you can manage your playbook or control your playbook using the tag utilities. Okay guys, finally this is the end of this topic. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please leave your comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for the more updates. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Guys, one more thing, if you are interested in RHEL 8 online classes for RSCSA and RSC section, please contact us through given link which is mentioned in the description. Thanks for watching, stay safe and goodbye.